Stay, stay. Mellie. Hi! Today I'm going to show you how I got this photo of Mellie. So for this video I needed, or for these photos in general, I can technically do them myself, but it's honestly really hard when you hold the camera and you throw like stuff at the same time. It's really hard to get it in focus. So for this video I had Sam assisting me to throw the snow, which was very helpful. We normally do that anyway, to be honest, like when we're out on a walk in the snow, like we throw the snow for Mellie, and sometimes there is this really nice golden light that you get here in Scotland, and then I just can't hold myself back, I just need to take photos. So I thought, why not do a little behind the scenes of that scenario. You know, you can have autofocus and it kind of moves with the subject. That doesn't work with my camera, I think, because it's quite an old model. I used to do it with autofocus, but then I used to try and like catch Mellie mid-air like with the focus, and it was a nightmare. Most of the photos were completely out. So what I do now is I make Mellie sit in a certain spot, then I focus on her with manual focus, and what also helps is making sure that the f number is higher. I don't normally like shooting with a high f number, I like that blurry background. I think for these photos I'm normally settling on like 2.8, f2.8, which is still quite low, but the higher the better. It depends on what you like the most, really. Mellie's favorite season, I would say. Maybe because it reminds her of when she was a puppy, because maybe some of you don't know that we used to live in Sweden, so she probably just remembers that from her childhood, playing in the snow and having fun.
Just going to move your tail so it looks a little bit more presentable.
Say, Mellie.
Stay, Mellie. Sit. Good girl. Stay.
I also wanted to address again a little bit that topic of, do you need an expensive camera and an expensive lens? Every time we go for a walk I take my really cheap, I say, 50mm Nikon lens, which was I think £150, which is a lot of money still, but for a lens that's really cheap. And every time I have a client shoot, I take my Sigma 50mm 1.4 lens instead, which costs, I think, I bought it in Germany, so it cost 800 euros. I can see a difference with the sharpness and kind of the depth of the picture, but that's also because I'm looking at pictures all day long pretty much, so I can see like the really fine details there. But if you want to pursue photography professionally, you do not need a crazy expensive lens to start with. Of course, when you have a more expensive lens, things like autofocus work better and all of that, and it pretty much just makes it easier to photograph. But I think you can take just as amazing pictures with a cheap lens than you can take with a expensive lens. This is my opinion anyway. Stay. Stay, Mellie. Mellie, stay. Stay. Mellie. I hope you like this video. No, wait. She really hates having the hat on. Oh. You don't like it, Mellie? You just want the food. Oh. Is that better? We really hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye. Oh, you looked into the camera, good girl.